Have you ever wondered why your favorite online store always seems to know exactly what you want to buy? It's almost like they can read your mind. Well, there's a hidden force behind the scenes that makes this happen, and it's called Moka payment. Imagine a world where your online shopping experience is seamless, secure, and personalized. No more long checkout processes, no more worrying about your payment information, and no more missing out on exclusive deals. That's the promise of Moka payment. What is Moka payment? Moka payment is a revolutionary technology that simplifies online transactions and enhances the overall shopping experience. It's a secure and convenient way to pay for goods and services online without the hassle of traditional payment methods. How does Moka payment work? At the core of Moka payment is a tokenization system. When you make a purchase, your sensitive payment information is replaced with a unique token. This token acts as a digital proxy, protecting your personal data from unauthorized access. Key benefits of Moka payment. Enhanced security. Moka payment prioritizes the safety of your financial information. By using tokenization, your payment details are never shared directly with the merchant, reducing the risk of data breaches. Speed and convenience. Moka payment streamlines the checkout process, allowing you to complete your purchases quickly and easily. No more entering your card details multiple times or dealing with complex payment forms. Personalized experience. Moka payment enables merchants to offer tailored shopping experiences. By analyzing your purchasing behavior, they can provide relevant recommendations, exclusive offers, and personalized promotions. Global accessibility. Moka payment is compatible with various devices and platforms, making it accessible to shoppers worldwide. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, you can enjoy the benefits of Moka payment. Moka payment and emerging technologies. Moka payment is at the forefront of technological innovation, embracing emerging trends to provide an even better user experience. Some of the exciting developments in this space include biometric authentication. Moka payment is exploring the integration of biometric technologies like fingerprint and facial recognition to add an extra layer of security. Blockchain technology. Blockchain can be used to create a decentralized and transparent payment network, enhancing the security and efficiency of Moka payment. Artificial intelligence, AI can be leveraged to analyze customer behavior and preferences, enabling merchants to offer highly personalized recommendations and promotions. Moka payment, a game changer for online shopping. Moka payment is not just a payment method, it's a game changer for the online shopping industry. By offering enhanced security, speed, convenience, and personalization, Moka payment is transforming the way we shop online. As technology continues to evolve, Moka payment will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of online commerce. By understanding the benefits and potential of Moka payment, you can make informed decisions and enjoy a more secure and convenient shopping experience. So, are you ready to experience the future of online payments? Embrace Moka payment and discover the power of a seamless, secure, and personalized shopping journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.